Okay, people, this is my jam. I don't get to buy anything. We live way too small to add bowls and cutting boards and extra things into the Airstream. But man, once we have a house, I'm going to have to use that website. I don't know about that. Oh, okay. This is such a great place. In just a few minutes, we get to tour the mill and see how all these things are made.
This is where we dip our bowls of coasters in the food grainer oil, make it food safe, and then we let it sit overnight. Yep, and in the morning, as you can tell, the girls are doing right now, take a sponge and they'll sand down the bowls, the rim, the inside, and the back to smooth it out, and we finish it with the bees oils that we make here at the mill. It's made of beeswax and food grain mineral. We work with 300 and plus different wholesale companies. These are some of the wholesale companies we work with. We have like Williams Sonoma, we have Cherry, Republic, Room and Board, we got Hayward, and then we have our own Holland Bowl Mill. And the second one is walnut one. You can see there's a hole in the middle. We'll add more holes to the bowls to make it into like a fruit bowl, or if there's like a crack on the bowl, we'll turn that to a heart-shaped bowl or a Michigan. Into our steaming room for 4 hours at 180 degrees. Lanterns, and we sell them for $5. So you guys may purchase them. Yep. Thank you. Alright. Can you feel it's still a little bit wet? Yep. This is the first making of the bowl. Go ahead and feel them. And I will show you guys the back of the bowl as well. As you Cherry is our most popular one. Their strengths.
Oh, wow. That is so cool. What's a spurtle?
Spurtle, everybody knows what a spurtle is. So it's for stirring, I forget what, oats,
Oats, stews, whatever.
yeah. And this is for mashing lumps. Low surface area so it doesn't clump up. So it's
Cool.
cool. And they've been a hot item, a hot selling item during tulip time.
I love that she wants to photograph everything. That is so cool.